Hey, what is up, guys? My name is Cleaner, and today we're going to play Survive. Today we're going to be playing Survive. It's over there. You can see it's over there. And if you go down below, I'll give you a link to it. So I'll give you a link to this. Let's press on new game. It's all about surviving. That's all you do. You gotta stay warm. Your hunger bars, everything. You have to try to survive. That's all you have to try to. If you die, then you have to start over. So you great. The car is stuck. Heavy rain has made the forest extreme. Access the situation. Okay. Let me think. I'm stuck here in the middle of nowhere. Weather is cold. I have a backpack and some items. Get out of the car. So my shelter is my car. On the camera first. I gotta fix that, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. I fixed my camera. So shelter inventory food. I don't know what the shelter is. We can rest in the car, or if it's raining, no shit. I guess we should sleep in the car. I don't know what we should do, but we should get some rest. 3 hours. Okay, the raining is stopped. There's only 11 hours outdoor clothing. Directly to the hat, clothes, basic clothing, give you something more. Wow. No, good. Let's see what we got in my inventory. Okay, let's keep mine. Sleeping, injured food, perfect. Cowardice, pizza. Let's travel through no, we shouldn't travel yet. We should wait until our energy, our hibernation, and everything goes down. Let's sleep. Let's travel now. Location 5 miles. Travel time closer to safety. I guess this is the closest way. I'm in the forest now, so we can do a lot more stuff. Let's for it. We get some resources. Grab some stuff, I guess. We could build some, let's build a hut first. We don't have that much wood left. We need to eat drink, actually. Oh, no. Let's build a fire. We have nothing. Let's go, craft fire power. Okay, I'll do that. Get some wooden spears. And, that's it. Let's go get some more wood. Find wood. We found some water. How do you drink it, though? I'm hibernating. I need to drink some water. What? All my water bottles are filled with water, so I drink it. I got 3 rope fire. I need a fire. Use match. I'm gonna use this because I got 3 matches. I don't have any. Failed. This is the fudge. Okay, I may as well use my match. Smoke it. I've got 2 hours of fire. So let's let my fire cook. Where am I going to? Let's make some rope. And then let's go get some meat. I've only got an hour left of that fire, so I don't know what I should do with it. Fire should keep me warm. My energy is going down, so I'm gonna keep it energy up. This is hard. I'll drink the bottle of soda so my hibernation goes up. My stamina is going down a lot, so let's eat something. Smoked. Let's go to the fireplace. Smoke some. There we go. Smoked. There's some 400 calories. Gives me some energy. My hibernation's coming up. Oh, that's cool. Bow draw. Iron. What do you use a bow draw for? Let's hunt. Let's look for a man. It's not. Spoil. It's like 12 hours of darkness. We should let's go get some wood. Yeah, it's not travel here. We need to get some shelter. Boil water. Safe water added to your food list. Nice. What's a firewall? Oh, let's get my fire back. Let's slice that. Safe water. Zero calories, but it's worth it. Dang it, guys. Should we travel? Let's see if we can find anything. There's an empty bottle. We should. I think we should actually where's the? What do you think? Let's go forward. Let's hunt. Bottle, unsafe water. Yes, finally. Fire. Fudge. I need to build it. Yeah, we did it. Boil that water. Okay. 6 hours remaining of darkness. go place that actually. My stamina's running out. I don't know what you need stamina for. I'll eat something. Okay, 72 body heat. 97 because I have a fire. Stamina 28. How do you upgrade that? Let's eat some food. Let's use some bait. Let's go for it. Yes, finally. This place not. Oh god, dang it. What bait in? Ooh, that's good. I don't know what I should use though. I don't think I need anything for that. Let's do that. Dang it, I knew I didn't have enough for everything. I'm gonna go hunting. See if we can find anything. I knew it. Got my water, see what I got. Filled. No. I got some unsafe water though. See if I can build them. We need to do something. Oh, I did that. Blah blah blah. Let's just use that simple. Fill the water. What did I find? I found something. I got 15 minutes. Let's smoke it. Got 10 hours. See if I can get. Let's build a firewall. See what happens. Nice. Look at that base. I'm resting. I'm gonna rest for a little bit. Boom. Oh, sorry about the camera was blocked. I know it was. I found something in the forest. I don't remember. If you guys can pause the video and I'll look through it anyways when I'm editing the video. So it doesn't really matter. You guys can look if you want, like rewind it and look at it. That's okay if you do. It doesn't matter. It's not my idea. I only got 4 hours left, so and I've got to travel sooner or later. I got some unsafe water, so I'm gonna go use our time for that. Let's craft some rope. Okay, that's rope done. My energy's going down a lot. Oh, dang. Dang it, I need food right now. I'm gonna go hunting for 60 minutes, hopefully. Dang it, find something. Oh, we got it. Eat it. Oh, crap. What did I find? I'm gonna die. I got an axe, an outdoor knife. Here's newspaper. What the heck? I'm gonna get some tinder out of that. What's a tinder for? Ooh, we can use a small spark. We're gonna die because we have no energy. Oh! Let's go to my shelter. Let's... Oh! Yes! Oh my god, I got a trap. Let's go see what I freaking got. Let's go. How do I go see? Do I go to animals and hunt? I wanna see what happened. What the? Who's that? Okay, let's use my bow gel. Here we go. We only got 13 minutes of that. I'm just waiting to see. I need my body heat up. Let's go and leave my shelter. Let's rest. Just keep on doing this. We need more. Let's go see. Where do you go? If I don't find it by the time this video is over, I've only got a little bit of daylight left, so we might as well go hunting. I've only got 10 hours of daylight. Let's go travel. We should travel. We don't got that much left. We don't got much shelter. I feel like if we go farther into the forest, we can find more stuff. Let's go. I found bait. That's awesome. Need more energy. Put in my shelter. Let's build. First of all, you need. I need shelter. Rest. Oh crap! My hibernation's going down. Hold on, guys. Okay. Let's drink some safe water. Huh? What was that noise? I don't know. Okay, it's 200 calories in that, but it's all I got. Let's go to my fire. Start a fire with that. Cook. Well, I might as well eat that. The spoiled meat. Oh, crap. It didn't help me. Throw away. Oh. God dang it. Oh, I gotta get some energy. I'm poisoned. Oh, crap. I need some... Just keep working until we find something. Let's rest. Oh no! What? Perished. I knew I was gonna die. Wow, that was 20 minutes. Oh, dang.
Why didn't it? I thought I was gonna survive. I just couldn't find any water. Dang it. I got poisoned and my energy went down even more. And my thirst went down. Oh, I should have tried harder. I guess I'll make another video on that some other day. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Click the like. What?
Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to my YouTube. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Click the like button. And hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry, that was my dad. He was wondering what I was talking to. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Click the like button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.